Using AI to generate a website is definitely something a lot of people are looking into right now. But the problem with a lot of sites is you can only generate front end of a website. So what does that mean? Well, most websites have a front end, a back end, and a database. But most of the AI sites out there at the moment only cater to one of these areas. So today we're going to be talking about Autocoder does all three of these, all with a few simple prompts. So without further ado, let's dive in to exactly how to do this. So this is Autocoder, and guys, this is one of the easiest ways you can create a website because they do front end, back end, and database integration seamlessly. In fact, Autocoder is the world's first complete application and software generation platform that integrates both that front end and the back end. So let's go ahead and test this by generating the front end of our website. So let's say I am a freelancer or a video editor. I'm going to want a website to show that. So let's just type in here, I am a video editor, create me a website. And then we're going to press this button here to kick things off. And then in less than a minute, we can see this actually generated a flowchart for the users and also the backend here for the management and administration. So this is already one step ahead of anything else out there. And honestly, guys, this is great. You can see everything here from the home page, about page, portfolio page, and much more here. And then we've got the admin side where, yes, you have the admin login. Okay, you have the dashboard for your admin where you can access statistics and quick links, etc., etc. So really happy with this so far. Let's continue to generate here and see what it comes back with. And after a short time, we can see that it's generated us a pretty good video editing portfolio website in which it's targeting more of family demographic. Now, this is a great choice from the AI because this is actually one of the most profitable niches to go for here. You can see here all different sections of the website. We've got the about section here, portfolio, where we could go in and actually put our videos. And what's good about this is we do have the services, blog, and contact section. But if we go to the top here, we can see that unlike other AI sites, we do actually have a backend system here already built in. So if we click this, we can see this is where we would log in as our admin account. We can log in here, and then it's going to show us all of the data that we need to see. And if we wanted to upload blogs and other things to the site, we can do so from this section very easily. Whereas on the other AI sites for programming websites, guys, you're not going to have this flexibility and you're not going to have this intuitive dashboard in which, yes, you can just upload your content. For example, if I wanted to showcase my editing projects, I could do that in this section here. And after clicking that button, we can see that, yes, this is where all of that will be. We can create a new project if we want. We can add to it, add the video URL, thumbnail as well here. Just so many options that this is built in for us to manage our websites on the back end. Next, I wanted to create a database for the contact form for when people actually message me about creating videos. So let's ask the AI to do that now. So if I move myself up here, we can see that I've put create a database for the contact form section. So we're going to press enter on that and let this thing work its magic. So now it's actually come back with some questions here that will help specify what we want from our clients or our customers. So it's asking us, what information would you like to collect via the contact form? Name, email, message, phone number, subject, etc. So what we're going to do is basically copy that, paste it in here, and then put number 1. Then for number 2, we're going to put my SQL. And then for number 3, we'll put PDFs. So if you don't understand what's happening right now, guys, it's asking us for our third type of database. Now, if you're not technical, it doesn't really matter which one you pick here, but we can see here there's lots and lots of variety if you are familiar with actually creating websites. And then for number 3, it says any data validation or special field requirements. So we've put PDFs here in case the client wants to attach a PDF. And just like that, we can see that it's created this full website for us. And if we do go to the contact form section, we do have this area here in which we can put the name, email, and a message as well to link to our PDF, which is fantastic. Now, if we want to access the back end here, then we can see, yes, it has created this database for us, which is fantastic. And it's basically just going to fill this out with everyone that's actually contacted us, and we can go through this and manage our clients efficiently. Now, once we're happy with the website, what we can do is press the deploy button, and then you can see deploying, it'll be ready in seconds. And just like that, we have the website link as well as the backend system here along with the databases. So as you've seen today, this is super user friendly, and we can see that yes, this is going to generate the front end, the back end, and the database for our websites, which is great for basically anything you need. If you have a coffee shop, you can actually get the website going for that, or maybe you have a fashion brand, you can do that using Autocoder very efficiently. So definitely consider checking out Autocoder in the description, guys, because it's super intuitive. You can generate the page structure and flowchart at the beginning, and then because it's its own LLM rather than using other LLMs, this is going to be something that is a lot more effective when it comes to website generation, because that's specifically what it's trained on as an AI. And if you do want to check this out, guys, they do actually offer a free trial, so you can get going in a matter of minutes, and you've seen super easy to do here, guys. Definitely check it out in the description. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day.